You got me flashback into my days on the dock again. All playing aside, I'm actually here to talk to you about modal differentiation, or the three primary types of ground transportation out there that most of you shippers will deal with. Now, for some of us new coming into this, it may be confusing on what I ship in what mode, and at what point do I have a snapped line or a break point where I need to go from parcel to LTL or LTL to full truckload. So the cool part about that is I can break it down pretty easily. Parcel or small package is just that. It's typically small packages, boxes, maybe the soft bags where you ship out things. Very, very popular in the consumer space. Think about anything you've ordered from any big box retailer or any of the big retailers online. Oftentimes parcel and small pack. Anywhere from 0 to 100 pounds, 1 to 2 boxes goes like this. But once you start creeping over 100 pounds and getting into 150 pounds, you may even blow past, your ground freight pricing programs or your multi-weight stuff that you can get away with heavier parcel. And it's time to look at a new mode. That new mode is LTL. LTL stands for less than truckload. And just like parcel, LTL is only going to apply up to a certain amount of freight. Typically, that's going to be 750 cubic feet. That's your cubic max. This is in all your pricing agreements. That means my LTL pricing applies up to X amount of space that I can have of any one trailer. So if it's LTL and I'm only allowed 750, that might be this much of the trailer or 6 pallet spots, maybe around 12 feet. Once I blow past that and absorb more of that LTL carrier's capacity in the truck, my pricing is no longer valid. That means I need to get a spot or one-off volume rate with that LTL carrier to move larger shipments, or you have the option, if that shipment is even bigger than that, to run full truckload. Full truckloads are most commonly either a partial truckload where you're sharing half of the truck, or maybe you have enough volume to absorb all of the truck, or maybe even put 2 stops in here, in which case, right, you're maximizing the exclusive use of this vehicle. So again, the 3 primary modes are LTL, full truckload, and small parcel. I hope you understand the difference between these modes, and I want you to know that platforms out there just like MyCarrier can help you differentiate and understand when it's time to look at other modes of transportation that are going to best fit that shipment criteria you need to get out the door. For more helpful tips and tricks, visit mycarrier.io and continue to learn a little more about this wonderful shipping universe we have. Beep, beep, beep. Gotta load this bad boy up.